In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion template and start using it in your own workspace. To begin, open the Notion template link in your browser. This link will take you directly to the template page that you want to copy. If the page doesn't load right away, give it a moment since some templates can take a few seconds to fully appear, especially if they include databases or multiple sections. Once the template is open, make sure you're logged in to your Notion account. This is important because Notion needs to know which account and workspace the template should be copied into. If you're not signed in yet, log in first and then return to the template page. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct account before moving on, especially if you use more than one Notion account for personal and work projects. After that, look to the top right corner of the page and click the duplicate button. This is the option that tells Notion you want to create your own editable copy of the template. You're not changing the original version, just making a separate copy that belongs to you. Next, choose the workspace where you want to add the template. If your account has access to more than one workspace, Notion may prompt you to select the correct one. Take a second here to choose carefully so the template ends up in the space where you actually plan to use it. This can save you time later and help keep your setup organized. Once you select the workspace, wait for Notion to copy the template into it. Depending on the size and complexity of the template, this may happen almost instantly or take a little longer. During this step, let Notion finish the process completely before clicking around too much. When the template has been copied, you can start customizing it. Edit the names, sections, databases, or any sample content so the template matches your own needs. This is where the template becomes useful for your specific workflow. You can rename pages, remove anything you don't need, and adjust the layout so it feels natural for the way you work. After that, you're ready to start using the template in your own workflow. From here, just treat it like any other Notion page in your workspace. The more you tailor it to your process, the more helpful and efficient it will become over time. And that's it. You've successfully copied a Notion template and made it ready to use.